This isn't just a factory. This is where the modern world keeps moving. Every hallway you see is built for one purpose: making tires non-stop. This place produces 50,000 tires every single day. That's more than most people will use in an entire lifetime. Every few seconds, a brand new tire comes off this line. Humans don't run this place, machines do. Heat, pressure, and steel surround you everywhere. Nothing here slows down. Nothing waits. One small error can shut down the entire operation. And one mistake here can cost millions. Tires don't start as tires. They start as raw rubber. Some of it comes from trees. Some of it comes from oil. Carbon black gives tires their strength and deep black color. Steel wire will soon become the backbone of the tire. High-strength fibers add flexibility without losing control. At this stage, none of this looks like a tire at all. The real secret lives inside these formulas. Every ratio is calculated down to the smallest detail. Once the mixer closes, there's no turning back. This is where the process truly begins. Inside this machine, rubber is kneaded under extreme force. Temperatures rise fast, hot enough to change the material forever. Sensors track everything in real time. If the numbers drift, the entire batch is destroyed.
Confirmed. Rerouting power to stabilize orbit.
The rubber exits as thick, steaming sheets. Precision cutters slice it with perfect accuracy. Cooling rollers stabilize the rubber for the next stage. These strips travel hundreds of meters through the factory. Each one is inspected before moving forward. This formula decides how the tire will behave on the road. Steel cords are braided into powerful reinforcement belts. Each wire must align perfectly with the next. Rubber coats the steel, locking everything together. Sidewalls are shaped to handle constant flexing. The tread is formed. This controls grip and braking. Every groove you see has a purpose. Each component is stored separately and labeled. Robots assemble them in the exact order. Lasers check thickness down to fractions of a millimeter. Now, it's ready to become a tire. Everything comes together on this rotating building drum. The inner layer is wrapped tightly around the core. Steel belts are added for strength and stability. Rollers press out every trapped air pocket. Sidewalls are attached on both
smoothly to
sides.
both sides of the tire body.
The tread is placed on top like a final armor layer. This is called a green tire. It looks finished, but it's not. One final check before moving forward. The most dangerous step is next. The green tire enters a massive curing press. Steel molds clamp down with incredible force. Heat rises to around 170 degrees Celsius. Inside, rubber chemically transforms forever. There is no undo button at this stage. Pressure, heat, and time must be perfect. The mold slowly opens. The tire emerges fully formed. It's still hot and extremely durable. This is the exact moment a tire is born. But birth doesn't guarantee survival. Lasers scan every tire for shape accuracy. X-ray machines check the internal structure. Balance tests spin the tire at high speed. Any defect means instant rejection. Only perfect tires move forward. Thousands of finished tires fill massive warehouses. Forklifts move non-stop, day and night. Containers wait to be loaded. Each one carries tires across the world. Trucks roll out without stopping. These tires will carry families, cargo, and entire cities. Every rotation depends on this process. You trust these with your life every single day. And tomorrow, this factory will do it all again.